So, friends, let us begin the new content of our lesson number 8, Standard 8 Mathematics. Here, you might have been familiar with these words sale tax, value added tax, and goods and service tax. VAT, that is value added tax, and GST, that is goods and service tax. These taxes are laid by state government and central government. This tax money is utilized for the development of our nation and providing various facilities to each and every citizen of our country, that is India. Now, you might be familiar that whatever the ground, playground, different roads, street lights, garden, hospitals, and many other facilities, public transport, all these facilities are provided to us by the government, and for this we require money. So, government used to collect taxes from us. So at presently, whenever you go to your any hotel or any purchase any things, the merchant used to give you the bill, and that bill contains GST also. If you go to your DMart, you will find a DMart, there will be a bill with GST. Suppose if certain products are there where the GST is 18%, some product it will be 5%, some product it will be 10%, some product, so it depends upon different commodities or the goods, this taxes percentage are given, and that much amount we have to pay to our state government and central government. So this, suppose example, if the food items and our entertainment items, if we go to cinema hall, so in the cinema hall is considered as an entertainment purpose. So for the entertainment items and commodities and services, 18% GST is to be paid. So whenever you buy a ticket for cinema hall, a GST is already printed 9% for state GST and 9% for central GST. Okay, so S GST and state wise GST 9% and central government GST 9. So total 9 plus 9, it is 18% GST on this entertainment purposes. Now we proceed, we learn sale tax also. Sale tax means whatever the things or the raw materials are purchased by us and the is already sold by a seller. अगर हम खरीदने वाले हैं तो सामने बेचने वाला भी होता है. So the seller used to take sale tax from us. जो वो सेल्स करता है, सो सेल टैक्स का भी उसका टैक्स गवर्नमेंट में पे करना पड़ता है. सो with an example we will learn about sale tax also. Now here a sum is given to us. Example number 8. Clear? So the cost of a pair of roller skate at a shop was rupees 450. वैसे तो 450 में कोई स्केटिंग नहीं मिलता इतना सस्ता, लेकिन इन एग्जाम्पल इट इज गिवन. द सेल टैक्स चार्ज वॉज 5%. फाइंड द बिल अमाउंट. तो आपका बिल अमाउंट कैसे बनेगा? दिस इज सेल टैक्स 5% ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस. सीपी मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो 5% ऑफ रुपीज कॉस्ट प्राइस, दैट इज 450. So 5 upon 100 multiplied by 450. 0 0 get cancel, and again I will 5 1s and 5 2s are 10. So 245 should be divided by 2. If I divide it, I am getting डेसिमल में अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो you will get some answers. कैसे? अगर आप चाहो तो रफ वर्क कर सकते हो. दैट इज 45 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 0 5 again 2 2s are 4 0 5 बचेगा 1. Then I put decimal point and 2 zeros. The first 0 if I bring it down it will be 10. So 2 5s are 10 0 0 and this 0 if nothing is 0. So rupees 22.50 clear is the सेल टैक्स. ये क्या हो गया सेल टैक्स. नाउ तो हम कितना बिल पे करेंगे तो नेट प्राइस उसको बोलते हैं. हम टोटल जो पे कर रहे हैं उसको बोलते हैं नेट प्राइस. नेट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस सेल टैक्स. सेल टैक्स भी ऐड हो गया इसलिए प्लस. सो 450 रुपीज इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल एंड 22.50 पैसा is a sale tax. So addition of this is rupees. Total net price we will pay rupees 472.50 as a bill amount. Clear? Now we will learn some more example number 9 and 10 related to these types of sum of weight and GST.